Okay, a couple more announcements for you guys. For your aircon and refrigeration service needs, check out Edmin Ref and Aircon. Yan. Located at number 17, Bonifacio Street, Barangay Pag-asa, Olongapo City. Ang dali puntahan ha. For your aircon or refrigeration sales, parts, service, repairs, installation, maintenance, and a whole lot more. Okay, you may call their landline muna tayo. 223-4998. Oh, 223-4998. Dali tandaan ha. Their customer care hotline 0999-990-4749. Oh, di ba? Okay. Tapos marami pang merong smart, may talk and text, may globe numbers, ang dami pagpipilian. Pero hindi nyo naman maalala lahat pag in-announce ko eh. Ganito na lang. Puntahan nyo yung Edmin Air Conditioning Facebook page. Lahat ng sinabi ko, lahat ng in-announce ko nandoon, ha? Okay? Once again, for your aircon, air conditioning needs, services, parts, and what else? Whatever, okay? Edmin, okay? Ref and air conditioning. And meron naman silang isa pang service center na matatagpuan naman sa Balanga. Yan, sa mga taga-Bataan. Umaabot tayo hanggang Bataan, Yung mga kababayan natin sa Bataan, nandiyan naman ang DBL, Aircon and Refrigeration Center. Okay? They have been established since 2000, specializing in the field of air conditioning. Okay? So, for heating, ventilating, and air conditioning service, DBL, Aircon and Refrigeration Center in Balanga, Bataan. Sa mga taga-Balanga, ha? Okay? Monarch Subdivision, actually. Tuyo, Balanga, Bataan. Okay. May tanong lang ako, Mambeng. Di ba nasa Tuyo, Balanga, Bataan yan, Mambeng? Paano yan ngayon? Umuulan. Ano na yan, no? Hindi na yan Tuyo, Balanga, Bataan. Ano na yan? Basa. Balanga, Bataan. Sa mga taga-Bataan, jot down this number, 0919-995-0141. Alright?